Hello and welcome to We're About Wellness Friends. This is Mary Amber Hughes here, and I am walking through dōTERRA essential oils this year, and I'm glad to have you with me. Today we're going to talk about cilantro, and cilantro's bright green feathery leaves are delicately lobed, and after their tiny pink pale flowers bloom, I don't know if you knew this, but you can turn those green seeds, or they turn into green seeds which become brownish or brown gray. And at maturity, the plant receives and reaches about a height of about 2 to 3 feet. And cilantro oil is distilled from the leaves of the plant, while the coriander oil comes from the seeds. And we'll talk about coriander next. But cilantro is one that a lot of us associate with Mexican dishes, or maybe your rice at Chipotle. Has cilantro in with it. So cilantro is a very, the way that I would describe it is a very herbaceous, citrusy, fresh scent, which I really, really like. You can see that we always check to see if we can take it internally. We can. It recommends you dilute 1 drop into 4 fluid ounces of liquid. And I would tell you cilantro is not one I drink in water so much as I would put it in a capsule for internal well-being. And one of the neat things about it is cilantro leaves have long been used since the times of ancient Greece as an herb for flavoring, and its aroma has been used for anxiety and insomnia throughout history. So this one can be put in the diffuser. I can't say a lot of people put it in the diffuser, but if you're someone who is looking to get rid of some of those feelings of anxiety and such, this is one you can put in with lime or lemon in the diffuser, and it's going to be real clean and fresh and helpful and calming that way. It does come from the steams of it, and it also is I like to put it on the bottoms of my feet. You can put it on the bottoms of your feet with cypress to help with heavy metal, ushering those out of the body. The body likes to get those out of their system anyway, and this is going to help assist with that. Putting it on the bottoms of your feet. On the bottoms of your feet is a quick way to get it into your body, going throughout your blood system. Another tip, if you're someone who has a body odor, you might want to try this internally in a capsule with peppermint, a couple drops of each, and take this internally. It also helps to move people from feeling obsessed about things to actually having them feel more expanded. And the way the best put that is, let me see here, I love to go to my essential oils and emotions book, and it helps people to feel releasing from control, the need to feel control. So if you're somebody who's looking to be liberated, detached, untroubled by those things that are in your life, it's great to inhale this from the bottle or diffuse it, or place a few drops in your hand and rub it together in your hands and then inhale it. And you can also put 1 to 3 drops over your throat or your solar plexus, or your upper, which is your upper stomach, to help with this releasing of control as well. So that is cilantro. Many of us will add a drop of cilantro to our rice, and then we have some yummy tasting rice to add to our Mexican dishes. Or an easy recipe is to drop a drop, or swirl, put a toothpick in and swirl a little bit of cilantro, because when I cook with them the first time, I always add it by the toothpicks. So you put your toothpick into the bottle and then swirl it into your mixture, and add as many toothpick swirls as you need to get it to the taste you like. So that is cilantro. If you are looking for oils that will help with indigestion and that stomach upset, you can just apply this topically over top of your abdomen for the desired effects that you're looking for. To relieve that. You can take it internally, you can diffuse it, and you can put it on topically. You can also take it internally to help with health, to promote liver and kidney function. So you can also, if you don't want to take it internally, you could apply it topically over the liver to help support a healthy liver and kidney support. Also, if you're looking to have healthier nails, or reduce levels of funguses and that kind of stuff that you may be dealing with, this can be applied topically to the area or taken internally in a capsule. So wonderful, wonderful oil. If you don't have this one, you'll want to add it to your medicine cabinet It's just great. I will also add this onto over the side of a bug bite because it is so cleansing and purifying. I found it to really be helpful with our bug bites. So that's cilantro. I'm going to also share some recipes. So feel free to check out those recipes. They're simple. There's a simple kale and cilantro and pesto recipe that you can make for a dipping sauce. Thanks for joining us at We're About Wellness Friends. I hope that you'll join us. If you'd like to learn more, please hit the subscribe button and join us as we walk through the essential oils this year.